Today we're working on the floor of our 56 Fairlane. Hello everybody, this is Tony and we're installing the Suppressor Mat from thermo-tec. The previous owner cut a huge hole in the floor for the aftermarket shifter, and we've been dealing with the heat, noise, and fumes every time we drive the car. Finally, it's time we fix it. After relocating the shifter, we brought the car down to Cambra Speed Shop in Orange to repair the holes in the floor. We added Gorilla Tape to the seams of the screwed-in galvanized sheet metal patches. The next step is to clean the surface really well to get all the padding, glue, and any oily residue off the floor. The suppressor is ideal for both sound and radiant heat control. In addition to the polyethylene film, the foil surface provides direct protection from radiant heat up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit and direct temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The suppressor is also 7 mils in thickness. It contains a high temperature adhesive backing and easy to trim and fit. We will be using simple tools from the garage like a pair of good scissors, measuring tape, pen, and a mat roller. The mat roller you can get at thermo-tec.com. This is a really simple project and one we encourage getting your kid involved in. Simply measure the area you want to place the mat, test fit it, and stick it on. It's pretty much that simple. So we chose to break up the 3 foot by 5 foot roll into manageable pieces. We started with the driver's side floor and firewall. Make sure to cut around the floor mounted dimmer switch and around the steering column bracket on the firewall. Once positioned and final trims made, remove the backing and lay the mat back in place. Once in the proper location, go ahead and start pressing it in place from the firewall down. After it's secured, take the roller and smoothen out the surface using the edges of the roller to fit in the floor's channels and grooves. The mat roller is spongy, so it will go around those pesky bolt heads and screws used to repair the floor. Continue the same process over the hump and around the shifter and in the rest of the cabin. For our two-door sedan, we used two 3 foot by 5 foot rolls, which got us to the back seat of the vehicle. A third roll would cover under the seat and onto the trunk wall. The suppressor mat is also great in door panels and side panels. Now we can add our carpet and padding, knowing that our cabin is sealed up and will be free of noise, heat, and in our case, those fumes. Find this and more cool products at thermo-tec.com.